Naghahanap ka ba ng phone stand and can't decide kung alin dito ang bibilin mo? Continue watching for Pinay Reviewers Battle of the Affordable Phone Stands. Since naka-multi-screen ako, I need a reliable phone stand, so I tried a variety of phone stand so you don't have to. Starting with phone stand A. This phone stand has a circular base and it's made with carbon and steel metal daw. Dahil all metal siya, including the 3 joints, ramdam mo yung pagka-sturdy, stable, and flexible niya when you adjust the angles. Meron din siyang silicone na anti-slip buckle or pad dun sa may pinapatungan ng phone, plus ilalim rin so di masyadong magalaw. May times though na I have to hold the base when I rotate it, pero if medyo mabigat naman phone mo, it shouldn't be a problem. You can rotate the phone holder fully so pwede mong ipaikot-ikot. Useful when taking videos na pa-landscape or when doing panoramic shots. Pwede mong ilagay yung phone mo na pa-portrait or pa-landscape depending on what you're doing. May gap naman sa phone holder for your phone charger cable. Actually, lahat sila meron. Gusto ko naman pagka-stable niya, just make sure to find the right angle or adjustment para sa phone mo. You can fold it completely para madaling dalhin anywhere. Next is phone stand B. This phone stand naman na may rectangular base, all metal na aluminum ang material. Feels pa lang niya, ramdam mo na yung quality ng material. It can also rotate a full 360 and malaking circular swivel niya, which is yung difference nila ni phone stand A. May non-slip silicone pad rin sa phone holder mismo and at the bottom, so di madali malaglag yung phone or dumalas yung stand. Solid weighted base siya. Medyo mabigat pero stable naman, so quits lang. Since mas malaki and mabigat yung base niya, even when di masyadong maayos ang angle ng phone, di siya ganun kaagad natutumba. It has 2 joints at the bottom of the base and sa likod ng phone holder, so flexible rin naman yung angles. Kaya rin na pa-landscape or pa-portrait yung pagpatong ng phone or device. I think this is the best phone stand for tablets kasi mas feel ko yung pagka-secure ng iPhone ko sa kanya. Foldable rin to but medyo may pagka-bulky siya. If may big bag ka naman na kasya siya, gaya ko, madali pa rin namang dalhin. Next is phone stand C. Ito yung pinaka-flexible sa kanilang lahat. It's made with zinc alloy daw na material so di ganun kabilis mag-fade. May 3 joints siya so kayang-kaya mo siyang i-fold into different angles and sobrang portable niya. Meron siyang phone grip na naiikot and also ensures na nakasecure yung phone mo. The phone grip is only suited for phones na may width below 6.7 inches. So if wider pa yung phone mo, hindi pwede to. Yung main con lang nito is madulas siya, hindi siya ganun ka-stable for me. So doble ingat lang pag gagamitin mo siya like this. Pero meron namang other ways to fold or adjust this para mas stable. Pwedeng ganito. Ito yung pinaka-stable for me. Ito okay rin, tsaka mas may height, but if your phone's on the heavier side, di kakayanin. Pwede rin pag ganito, kaso medyo madulas to so you need to adjust or fix it from time to time. Ito naman parang balancing act. Scary. Itong last, yung isa pang stable na position or adjustment niya. Pwede rin iikot-ikot yung phone while nakagrip. And kahit iwan mo sa phone yung stand na to, pwedeng ilay flat on the table pa rin yung phone. Sobrang portable, di ba? Our fourth competitor is phone stand D. This one's made of ABS plastic and mukhang durable naman. Dahil made of plastic, kahit malaki siya, ito yung pinakamagaan sa 5 phone stands I reviewed here. Smooth naman yung pag-adjust sa kanya with its 2 joints. Meron ring silicone pad sa phone holder and at the bottom para kontra dulas. Marami ring angles na kaya nitong phone stand na to pero depende sa bigat ng phone mo. Di niya kaya masyado yung iPhone ko so pinipilian ko talaga ng angle na stable siya. Bet ko sana siya kasi super lightweight and stable yung base kaso yun lang nga. Di niya nakakaya masyado yung mabigat kong phone. Finally, phone stand E. This phone stand ang pinakamura among the 5 na I reviewed here. Siya rin ang pinakamataas and kaya mag-bend patalikod completely yung phone holder. However, ang dali lang masira nito. Yung pang-adjust sa likod ng phone holder, nakailang ganito na ako na nasira ko agad wala pang ilang months. Considering na maingat pa ako niyan and di rin masyadong kaya yung mabigat na phone ko. Yung base niya, solid and mabigat kaso pag nabaksak mo one time, wala na. Say goodbye na to the phone stand. Pero since mura, madali lang naman mag-repurchase. Pero parang mas okay mag-invest sa mas better quality na phone stand, diba? But ang winning factor kasi nito, it can also serve as a tripod since adjustable yung height niya up to 30 cm. So if ito yung bet mong bilhin, just be extra ingat with it. Wag na wag mo ibabaksak. Now let's rank them based on their overall sulit ratings based on the following criteria: stability, flexibility, portability, quality of material, and price, plus considering my needs. At number 5, phone stand E. At number 4, phone stand D. At number 3, phone stand C. At number 2, phone stand A. Akala niyo yung B, no? Well, actually, super close sila ng phone stand B for me in terms of stability and quality ng materials. At number 1, of course, phone stand B. Parang pang matagalang gamit ko siya and magandang investment kasi mura lang siya for its quality. And based na rin sa experience ko using all of these phone stands, itong phone stand B ang pinaka-secure yung iPhone ko. That's it! Stay tuned for my next product reviews here. And if may bet kayo sa mga phone stands na to, check the basket below so you can buy your preferred phone stand. Let me know which one yung mas gusto nyo ah. Thank you for watching!